You know, I can honestly say that it's quite hard to perform on a blown knee. I've actually had that experience myself. I've blown a knee a few dozen times. It hurts like hell. Can you imagine what she had to go through during that time? It hurts. Okay? It hurts. It's not an easy thing to go through. Okay? So if they're gonna think that it's quite easy to perform on a blown knee, you really need to feel that for yourself. Okay? You really need to feel that. Because if you blew a knee, you would not like that either. Yeah, you like the camera effects? Yeah, they're progressive. But whatever. Great filming! But please, don't think it's easy for her to perform on that day when she blew her knee out. Because she was in pain. That's all. Good filming. Nice high def too. I like concerts.